Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm Electric Man, and now I'm gonna be showing you how to make a free website, free domain, and get a free hosting. So now let's make a new folder. We're gonna be calling it website tutorial, and then we're going to be opening that folder in Visual Studio Code. And yeah, Visual Studio Code is required for this, but you can use another platform for coding. So I'm just gonna use Visual Studio Code for now. And we're going to open our folder, then select folder. It's gonna refresh, and we're going to make a new file, naming it index.html. So we're going to start coding and upload it to GitHub. So let's make a simple website. Just doc type HTML, and then maybe make h1 header and hello world. There you go. Then we're gonna save it. Now we're going to hop into GitHub and make a new repository. There is another way and it's easier. It's called GitHub Desktop, but you need to log in again, so I'm just gonna use GitHub from the website. We're gonna call it tutorial for the repository name, and ignore all of these. Make it private for me, but you can make it public too if you want. Create repository, and then we're gonna upload an existing file. Don't forget, if you don't have GitHub account, you need to make one first. So yeah, and then we're gonna publish our index.html to the website. Commit changes, and there we go. Now we're gonna hop into app.netlify.com, and then we're gonna log in with GitHub. We are now logged in, and we're going to make a new site from Git. Press GitHub, and then it will say authorized if you are authorized already, but it's gonna ask for verification from GitHub. Then we're gonna select the Electric Man YT/tutorial. Then deploy site. We can also change the domain name. For now, we're gonna just edit the site name to Electric Tutorial, but you can call it whatever you want. And you can also add custom domain here, but it's gonna require you to verify it. Alright, our site is now published. You can see right here. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope it works for you as well. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and suggest me what to do next after this. Maybe you want navbar, or adding images to your website, or paragraphs, whatever you want. But thank you for watching my video, and see you guys later. And yeah, I forgot to say, but if you commit changes to GitHub, your GitHub repository, it's gonna automatically publish in netlify.app, but it will take some time too, so be patient while publishing your website, and thanks for watching this video. See you guys later. Peace out.